Well, what is Bioo? Bioo is a company that is oriented to generate electricity from plants photosynthesis. So, how does it work? Well, what we have is a reactor. And as you know, plants make photosynthesis. They produce substances that they eat. But there is a part of these substances that they don't eat. They naturally segregate them through the roots. So what we do is to catch them and to break them with microorganisms. And in that process, free electrons are set free. So apart from that, what we have is that, just a reactor that collects and creates a current. So we started like 3 years ago to creating this brand that is Bioo. And we started creating a panel. So this is the first goal that we had in mind. That is a panel for self-sustainability, to place them in parks, in gardens, places like that. Still, we need like 2 years to actually finalize this project. But at the same time, we didn't want to be just a development, research and development company. We want to do more things. But nevertheless, we kept on making this, and we did it with a great team. We actually had investment from companies such as, well, in Chemie in this case, that provides us with labs to actually increase our potential with the company. And the thing, as I told you, is that we wanted to make more products. We wanted to be self-sustainable, economically speaking. So we started this year with BioEd, which is an educational kit oriented to generate that global consciousness in schools, in educational centers, so that children could actually power up their own LEDs and, well, build their own biological batteries and well, create light and things like that. This is actually pretty cool because it's pretty multidisciplinary, and it's something that is being searched all along the world right now in the educational sector. Apart from that, we have BioPass. We have the product, but we're not planning to launch it until next year. It's a plant that you just approach your phone close to it, and well, it gives you a Wi-Fi access to an external router. The panel will be available approximately in 2 to 3 years. That's why it's still not here. Here you have some photos of the first product I was talking about. In fact, I have a sample there in case you want to see it. But the thing is that the market right now, it's going to be oriented in Europe to Spain. And right now we are preparing a distribution campaign for Middle East and Hispanic America as well. Because, by the way, we're from Spain. And this photo is for the BioPass, okay? So BioPass is going to be oriented to well, cities and smart cities and lighting up parks and, well, streets. The thing is that we're going to start by sensors. The market is huge in this case, but you know, right now the market at which we're going to is the one of the educational kit, and right now we have planned to distribute in a lot of countries. The green ones are the ones which have been contacted, and the ones who are interested with letters of intention. And we're planning actually to make an investment round in May to June of this year. So this round is based on the sales of Spain, Middle East, and Hispanic America, as I said. Well, basically the ones that we're going to have by signed letters of these distributors. So apart from that, the team right now is of 11 people. Apart from that, we have 5 people in the labs and other 4 people in the mechanical centers, apart from the 11 that we have in the office. But these are the main ones, and actually the other ones are provided thanks to a Horizon 2020 Phase 2 project that was granted to us a year ago of 1.8 million euros. Apart from that, we already made a first round, and we were actually pretty successful all around the world. For example, we were invited to the International Expo of Astana of 2017. They built us this stand. We brought some prototypes of the panel. We were actually selected as the top startup of the 50 most innovative startups of the year in Europe by the European Parliament, and that's why we were there. So by the way, this is the round that we're seeking right now. It's the second one that we do. It's for 650,000 euros and a valuation of 5.5. These are some numbers, but I think well, you know, we'll speak about them later in case you're interested. Just bear in mind that you could actually contact us. There you have our contact details. And be sure that our goal, our target here is to actually merge nature and technology. And that's the dream that we want to see. So thank you very much for listening.